If you're looking for an easy way to collaborate and communicate within your Salesforce environment, using Salesforce Chatter is one of the best ways to stay connected with your team. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use Salesforce Chatter effectively so you can get the most out of this powerful tool. First, let's talk about what Salesforce Chatter actually is. It's essentially the social network for your business, allowing you to post updates, comment on files, and even follow important records, all within your Salesforce platform. Think of it like your company's internal Facebook, but with a focus on business collaboration and workflow. Next thing, setting up your Chatter profile. Your Chatter profile is where you can customize your presence within Salesforce. You can upload a profile picture, provide a short bio, and list your roles within the company. This helps your team quickly identify who you are and what you do, creating a more connected environment. The third thing, let's dive into posting updates. On your Chatter homepage, you'll notice a section to write a post. You can share your thoughts, project updates, or even just ask a question to your colleagues. You can tag specific people or groups to ensure that the right people see your message. If you have important files to share, you can attach them directly to your posts. This makes collaborating on projects seamless and ensures that everyone stays in the loop. Moving on to the fourth thing, let's talk about following records and people. Salesforce Chatter allows you to follow specific records like accounts, opportunities, or even specific reports. This means you can get notifications whenever there's an update on something you're interested in without having to manually check all the time. You can also follow people, so you'll be updated on their posts and activities. The fifth thing is Chatter groups. These are a powerful way to bring people together based on specific projects, departments, or interests. You can join public groups where anyone can contribute or create private groups for more focused collaboration. Group members can share posts, files, and updates, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Next thing, let's talk about notifications. Salesforce Chatter allows you to customize your notification settings so that you only get updates that are important to you. Whether it's notifications for posts, comments, or updates on records you're following, you can fine-tune what you want to be notified about. This helps avoid inbox overload while ensuring you never miss something critical. Lastly, if you're looking to access Salesforce Chatter completely free, you can do so through the first link below and also get exclusive bonuses that will help you maximize your experience with Salesforce Chatter. To wrap things up, now you know how to use Salesforce Chatter to boost your communication and collaboration within your Salesforce platform. Remember, you have access to an extended free trial of the software, so be sure to check the link below to get started today. Don't forget to customize your profile, start posting, and connect with your team in ways you never thought possible.